Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this package which comes a really modern and interesting design lamp that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a flash lamp with this really nice design which comes with everything that you need. Every piece comes really well protected. So you can see we also get all the hardware that we are gonna need to do this installation process. Okay, we have the lamps that we are going to use, which I think that it's nice. They have, as I've said, a really nice design. Okay, we get all the pieces that we need. This is the bottom part, okay, where all the pieces are going to connect, and in here we get the ceiling part with all the base and everything. It uses a remote control, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, let me show you right now. It comes with a receiver and everything, and in here we get the remote control. Okay, you can dim it, you can change the temperature, and well, you're gonna see it everything in a second. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, the proper installation process of this lamp, it's really simple. You just have to assemble each piece and then place it upon the same place where you're gonna install it, which I think that is nice. And what I like about this lamp is that it has a semi-flush design, that it's perfect to place it anywhere that you need it. It has a stepless dimming and it has a night light mode. It also has a memory function, so that way when you turn it off, it will turn on automatically on the setting that it had. And it has a high brightness LEDs that are really nice. Its silicon lampshades offers a high transmittance and softens and diffuses the light, and its simple but elegant design can be fitted perfectly wherever you want it, albeit your dining room, your kitchen, wherever you need it. I think that it's going to be really great. Also, its simple flower design with a clear appearance can fit well into different styles of interior decoration, whether it's a modern minimalist design. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think it's really easy to control it. You can just control it with the remote control on, off, and everything. You can quickly change with the temperatures with the middle button, which I think that it's really nice. That way you can set up the mode that you want really quickly. You can also set it up for like a night mode that you can leave it on when you're gonna go to bed, or leave it around your kitchen if you're gonna place it right there, your living room, so that way there's light, but there's not like that much light, and it think that it's perfect. You can also change it up with this button, which I think that it's really nice, makes it really easy. You can set it up for different temperatures and brightness that you can adjust them manually with the crossguard, and I think that it's nice. As I've said, depending on what you need the time of day, that's how you're gonna go ahead and set it up. If you want a more cold light, you can set it up obviously. And overall, because it's really easy to install, it has a really powerful light, and it has a really nice interesting design that I think that it's perfect to place in wherever you like. It's really modern and really easy to install, and that's why I would really recommend that. See you guys.